Welcome back. Now, one of the first things that you can do to begin working with Zapier is to connect applications that you are already using. And you can do that by going to the My Apps area. And then what you can do is to click Add Connection. That's going to bring you to a search area, and you're going to be able to search among all of the apps that are going to be available on Zapier in order for you to connect to the site. Now, for the sake of this example, we are going to type in Shopify. And you'll notice that Shopify is one of the applications that you can connect to Zapier. So we are going to click Shopify. That's going to bring us to a specific page. Now, when you are connecting a Zapier application, all of the requirements are going to be different depending on the application. Now, for Shopify, there are specific instructions that we need to follow in order to connect our Shopify account. And for this specific instance, we need to go inside of our Shopify account to get our username and place it here inside of the Zapier dialog. Now, in this case, we don't need to log all the way into our Shopify account. We can simply grab the URL and then we can use it in order to place inside of Zapier. So we are now going to place the information inside of the area. We're then going to click Yes, Continue. And you'll notice now that our Shopify connection has been made. We can go in and rename our Shopify connection so that we'll know exactly what it is that we have done. We'll go to the ellipsis. We'll then go and click Edit Connection Name. We'll then write in our new connection name. We'll then click OK. Our Shopify connection has now been made. We can make more than one connection at any time. Now, in order to add another application, we'll click on My Apps. We can then either click Add Connection or Search Apps. We're now going to click Connect to Mailchimp. Now, in this case, you'll notice that the process is different. What we need to do is to use this dialog in order to log into our Mailchimp account in order to connect to Zapier. So we are going to place in our login and password and click Login, and then allow Zapier to talk to our Mailchimp account. Now, for this process, Mailchimp will send a verification code to our mobile device. You will then allow Zapier to interact with your Mailchimp account. You can then rename your connection. And you now have two applications ready to integrate inside of Zapier. What you can then do is to connect other applications that you are already using to your account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.